something, reviewing it, and I'm gonna see if it's worth your money or not. This has been trending recently. It's called Rainbow Jellies. I got the Nightlife series, and they're supposed to glow in the dark. You're supposed to put like this little jelly stuff and make squishy toys. So I'm gonna figure out if it works or not, and if it's worth your money. So let's get it open. I already cut the tape. Whoa, so this is our little molds. That looks like a raccoon, and that's an owl, I think.
That's cute.
I know.
I'm actually really excited.
Oh, and here we got our hair, our two faces, and accessories. We're gonna need that later. Oh, and a keychain. So you can like take this and keychain it.
Or you can even put it on your backpack, like when you go back to school.
Yeah.
Or if you're going on a vacation, or when we go on vacation, you can put it on your backpack.
True. You get these. I have a feeling they might be hard to pop.
It's okay.
There's a
I'll
little
help you.
packet. Yeah. And here, oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh, I want to see which ones you can get.
I don't think it shows that. I think it just shows 1,000 million bajillion different instructions.
Oh, so it's telling you that you need to put the hair in the face.
And then put it in the mold and then mix up the packet. Okay, so the basics is, without reading all of this,
We should know what to do.
see, it does show.
Oh, we were right. It does show your backpack.
Yeah, so you can put it on your backpack or your purse.
That's really cute.
Okay, so
What's on the back?
It's a whole bunch of different things about it.
So,
Oh my goodness! I want to collect the rest of these. If this actually
oh my
works.
gosh, there's a lot. So what we're gonna do
And there's
is,
a bit pack.
after we're done with everything, I really want to see if they actually glow in the dark. What
Yeah.
do you think?
True.
Do you think they do or no?
I'm kind of like skeptical because I know sometimes things like they say they're supposed to glow in the dark, and then when I put them in the dark, I'm like, why is it not glowing? Like, the whole point is for you to glow. So yeah, but now we gotta figure all this out, and I'll get right back to you. Alrighty, so I've laid everything out. And these faces, they're like squishy.
Yeah, they're pretty soft.
They are really squishy. All right.
So then, when you mix these, you're supposed to mix it for a minute?
Yeah, and then we put in the mold and wait 45 minutes. That's a long time.
It is.
For the purple one, I'm gonna do this orange here.
Alrighty, set it up.
Do you think that's a good mix, Mommy?
Well, either way, orange doesn't match with pink or purple. So whether we put it on the pink one, I don't know. It might not make any difference.
I think it it's kind of hard to put on, if I'm gonna say so myself. Okay, it's on there. All right, I think we're good.
Okay, let's do the other one.
Pink and blue on the pink one. Just put it in there. I think this one's supposed to be an owl. Oh, that's not so hard. You get these two hair accessories, by the way. Like, they got a moon and stuff. All right, which one should we mix first? You pick.
I would go with this one. I really like the baby
Okay,
blue.
ready?
Squeeze it harder.
Oh, it
Good. Do the other one.
It
Good
did
job.
it. Okay, let's mix. It's kind of hard. I was gonna ask you to help me because I was like, if this is gonna work.
Alrighty, you gotta mix it for a minute.
We'll get right back to you because I'm not trying to have you guys wait. All right, so I ended up mixing both of them, and now we're gonna close my case up. And oh boy, it's kind of hard to close it. Okay, let's put it in here. So you're supposed to do that and twist it. It makes like a fart noise.
Yep, squeeze it all out. You want to make sure your squishy is nice and full.
Yeah, it's kind of hard though, because you can't like see if you're filling it up enough or not.
Let's see.
Ooh. Okay.
All right, I think you can try to do the other one.
Oh no, I tilted it the wrong way.
All right.
Just wipe
It's
it.
okay.
Oh no, where do I put it?
Oh, there's that one.
It's like a key. You put it in there. Just twist. Alrighty.
And roll it from the top.
Oh yeah. I want to make sure my squishy is nice and full. You know? You can like feel the skin thing packaging from
Did you get it all?
thing. I think I did. Alright. That's all I'm going to be able to get out of this package. Alright, well, let's wait 45 minutes. I'm a very impatient person, so this is going to be hard. Man, that was a pretty long time. It's been 45 minutes. I'm kind of scared to open it. Oh boy. Are you scared?
Yeah.
I don't know how it turned out. Oh boy, let's hope it turned out good. Oh! Let's take out this one first. Ooh, it's satisfying taking it out. Oh, it's all jellied. Oh my goodness! It's so cute! It's squishy. You want to squish it?
Oh my god, it's really good quality actually.
Isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And that's what you're really looking for in a toy, is great quality.
I want to see that one.
You do? So you can see some got on its face. It's fine, I just got it off because you can see this one got filled a lot. Taking them out is the most satisfying thing ever. Oh my god, it turned out so good. And definitely 45 minutes, wait the whole time, because I waited 45 minutes the whole time and it's all good and you can feel around. I'm just making sure there's no jelly parts that did not get, jellyified, but all of it did. And now we've got to test the glow in the dark feature. I'm gonna hit the lights. Okay, so these are the only things that glowed in the dark. These two didn't. I don't know if this was the only thing that was supposed to glow and if these ones didn't really glow. So yeah, if these were supposed to glow, that's fine. But yeah, let's turn the lights back on. So I turned the lights back on because it was getting pretty dark. And I looked on the packaging and I am correct. Whoa, that's squishy part. Only the little hair clips are supposed to glow in the dark, which it is 100% true. They definitely glow in the dark. So this toy, recommend it. You should go get it. It's definitely a 9 out of 10 because I don't like the whole waving part. But I still think it's pretty cool to make your own little squishy toys. And it's a fun little project you can do with your friends or your family. I think it's honestly super fun. Rated a 9 out of 10. I found these at Target, so if you want, go to your local Target and get them. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!